Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this wooden geode box. The first thing I did was just took a piece of photo paper and I painted a geo styled painting on it using the Pinata alcohol inks. Once I was happy with my painting, I let it dry overnight and then cut it to size to fit the top of the box. I also used a gel medium to glue it down and put heavy books on it overnight. And I also made a quartz crystal cluster and I hot glued that on. Then I used blue painter's tape and taped around the edge of the box. Now I just mixed up a batch of Artworks resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio of part A and B. So once I get that mixed for about 3 to 4 minutes, I'm just going to pour a small amount onto the top of the box and use my wooden popsicle stick to spread it out. Be careful you don't go too close to the edge, because once you hit it with the heat torch, it'll thin out and it'll start dripping down over the wooden box, and we don't want that. So very carefully, just go almost to the edge. Here I'm taking my propane torch and I'm just going to quickly move it back and forth so I don't burn the resin. I just want to be able to pop the bubbles. Here I'm just going to add some crushed glass to the top and just very carefully lay it in a line or however shape you want to put it down. And that's it. You just let it cure overnight for approximately 24 hours, and then you take the painter's tape off And that's it. You have a beautiful custom geode wooden jewelry box. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and be sure to go to thecraftattack.com to pick up your Artworks resin.